We thank God for bringing us together as one family of faith on this grace-filled occasion of the declaration of our parish church as a minor basilica. Alam ko maraming naging deboto ang mahal na ina ilang centuries na, pero sa plano ng Diyos, tayo ang naging saksi sa araw na ito. It is an honor granted by the church not to many parish churches, but with the honor comes a mission. Ganun naman po lagi, kung merong ibinibigay na karangalan, meron ding kasabay na misyon. As this beautiful church reminds people that God is present, sana po, bawat isa sa atin, sana ba ang ating sambayanan maging paalaala, nandyan nga ang Diyos. The first, especially from the prophet Zechariah, is a reminder to all of us that a church edifice, and in this case, a minor basilica, is a symbol, an effective symbol of God's desire to dwell among His people. Malinaw na malinaw po yan. Ang Diyos, ibig niya, manahan, tumira sa gitna ng sambayanan. Kaya nga ang tawag sa simbahan ay bahay ng Diyos. The basilica becomes for us a reminder of Jesus, Emmanuel, God is with us. Ano ang ginagawa natin sa ating sambayanan at ating bayan upang lahat ng pupunta dito, makakasalamuhan natin, masasabi, naranasan namin ang Diyos sa kanila. The second point po comes from the second reading, very appropriate for the declaration of our minor basilica. We are not praying alone. Jesus prays with us. He taught us how to pray. And His mother prays with His disciples. We don't only pray to Mary, we pray with Mary. And third, the beautiful passage about the visitation. Pagkatapos bisitahin si Maria, gayahin si Maria. So the presence of a church, of a basilica, is a strong proclamation. You are never alone. Hindi kayo nag-iisa. Kapiling nyo ang Diyos.